Alright, so it's uncraftable here, and I shouldn't say welcome back because it's my first video. Well, not really. But hopefully you didn't see my fail. Showing you this thing. Holy crap. What the frick? Oh god, oh god. Alright. So hopefully you didn't see my fail of this. I'm sorry about the echo, guys. I didn't know that would happen. But, so, I will be showing you this today. Closes soon. Alright, so it's closed. Open. And you're out. So, let's build this thing. Tutorial that I tried. This is a retry of it. Hopefully it doesn't do the same thing that it did the last time. God, this echo is getting annoying. Alright, so you place a piston like that, then dig down right there, click there, so you put the redstone torch there, then block on top, redstone, 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 up one, then back down, then like that. So it should look like that. So to test to see if this works, you want to place a block, and if it extends, when you place a block right next to it or on top, it should extend, and that's how you know it works. So next, what you want to do is you want to place your furnace. Then you come out, place your crafting table one more back, place your piston one more back, then a crafting table. It's important that you use anything but a furnace, or else it will not work, and because the piston can't push it, and you do not want that. So after that, you want to place your block back. You want to open up your furnace, place a potato or any other cookable item, and here's how you know it works from so far. A video. This is for video purposes. And so once you've completely dug your house, you want to place torches, because when it closes, it gets really dark. So you want to place a button, get back, redstone, and you want to lead it up. It might take a long time. I swear I just heard a zombie. It might take a long time depending on how high or how low your thing is. So get rid of that. So you want to connect it like this, and same on the other side. So next, what you want to do is you want to make this that you don't want it to connect, or else it'll send the current back. And I don't. So when you come back out. So here's how you test to make sure it works. Place a button. It should do that. Then, yeah. So what you want to do next is you want to extend a repeater off of that. block, block, redstone, redstone, down one, redstone, redstone, repeater. The delay time doesn't really matter for like after this clock part, but I like to have kind of a little bit of delay from it, so that's just me. You can do whatever you want, obviously. Hey, I just realized. Alright, so after you've done that, place your stick in, go down, should close after the furnace is done cooking. Then you probably want to place some ladders, so I'm going to do that now. I hate that black part. Alright, then when you press this button, whoop, you are now up, and yeah. So, well, it won't be hidden. So, yeah. So that's that. Now, this is going to be a multiple redstone video. This is my first one. I would like to make it a really long one. It's definitely not going to be an hour, like some people make it. But yeah, it's going to be a long one. So, next one is another furnace. Is another one that uses furnaces. So you place your furnace. It looks like that. Then you dig up, down. Redstone torch. You're going to place it one back from the house. Dash. Oh, wrong area. And you want to dig down right one block behind the TNT, aka the block where the part cover it up. Looks like this. So basically what happens is if the TNT pulls back after the water falls down onto this redstone torch. Oh crap! Frick! Second time that's happened to me when I was trying to record one of these videos. Yeah, but basically when you place the when you place your stuff in the furnace and start cooking, it'll destroy the redstone torch. I'll do it with one. Just because the other one blew up! Yeah, just because I fail. Whoops. Stop it! Is that? Alright, now you should be able to see it. Redstone torch. Alright. KABOOMY! Boomy! 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 Yeah! Okay. Pressure plate, water. Then take your TNT. Does anyone else hear that zombie? Zombie. So you want to take redstone like this. Then 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Redstone. And if you have, then you want to get a button. Place it. No. So, this video. Oh. Ha ha ha. Best ever. 3. S. Enter. See options. Normal. KABOOMY! Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.